Hello brothers, sisters, man, or kodo for shizzle, ma nizzle. So this talk of the town or this argument between Ghana and Ivory Coast about who owns Attieke, who is the inventor of Attieke, who does Attieke the best. And I've done a video in Ghana about how Ghanaians or how Nzimens make the Attieke from Ghana. You can check out that video and see for yourself. Today I'm in Abidjan and over here it's called Abobodome. This place is the plug for Attieke in Ivory Coast.
C'est Madame Azago.
Madame Azago.
En Côte d'Ivoire, Abobodome.
Abobodome.
Voilà.
Okay.
On fait du bon Attieke. Attieke, voilà.
And I'll take you to the process and the rundown to see how Ivorians also make their Attieke. Man, the process is so unique to the extent that you'll be amazed to see the steps in which they used to prepare. And that's why the Ivorians also claim the ownership and they say their Attieke is top notch because it's so unique. You need to watch this video to see this for yourself. So that was it all. After the Attieke was done, they prepared me some amazing sauce to try with the Attieke for me to be able to testify that indeed I've come to Ivory Coast and I've tried the real Attieke in Ivory Coast or West Africa, and it's so delicious. I came to do Attieke video and they showed me love by preparing me Attieke with poisson. Amazing! I never expected this, and it's been beautiful. And it's been funny over here because I speak English, they speak French, and we're battling with ourselves with sign language. Amazing!
Azago, you keep cooking.
In kitchen, yeah.
Cooking with Sindaco. Oh, it is the good.
This gives flavor.
It is a cooking sharp. Oh, okay, sharp. Yes.
And according to source, this woman over here called Mama Anna has been selling Attieke for almost 40-50 years. So she's the real plug in Abidjan in terms of Attieke. So the number of me on the screen whilst the video is going on, if you want to do Attieke business from Ivory Coast, or if you're in Ivory Coast and want to buy authentic or correct Attieke, this is where you have to be. Here is Attieke home in Abobodome, Mama Anna. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, cooking with Sindaco or Kodo. So before we get to Abobodome, we need to take the boat or the ferry from Tresvi to Abobodome because I'm residing in Tresvi and the Attieke plug is in Abobodome. So there's a ferry that crosses the lagoon, and trust me, Ivorians are really making money from this water body. I'll do a video about it, and it's really beautiful to see a country, a neighboring country, making this progress or making this benefit or profit from their natural resource water body they have in their country. And Abidjan is making really good use of their water body. Man, they are making money out of this stuff and really interesting. This is promoting tourism, okay, and making transportation very much easier in Abidjan. Wow. Man, Abidjan, as I said, the similarities over here looks the same. The nungus, everything is the same thing. So here is Abobodome, right? Abobodome, yeah, and they make Attieke over here. So behind me is hundreds of people working or doing business. So over here is they peel the cassava, they wash it and they grind it before people come and buy the dough. Okay, it's the other side and the process over there. So it's kind of step by step. Okay, I'll put everything together and I'll let you know the rundown of the whole process. Bonjour, Mama. It's a perfect video. Okay. So this is the cassava process, and this cassava looks a bit different, like it's kind of yellow, and even the color outside is different. So the process of Attieke, this is the starting point. They start by peeling off the skin, or from the cassava, and they go and mash it, okay, in the mill. So as you can see over here, this is the business they do over here. A huge spot, and everybody is doing this. I see. So after peeling, everything comes inside here like that. After they've peeled the cassava, then they soak it. They wash and they soak it like this. Okay, you see how clean the water looks like. So I believe it comes in. So this is the first wash, the second wash, the third wash, and they soak over here because this is more dirty than this. So all those machines over there are the grinding machines. So this is the part that made me get shocked. Using fermented boiled cassava together with Attieke, I was like, wow, this is so different and unique. I go pay you tomorrow. Give me half, So this is cassava, boiled cassava. Okay, so this part of the process they used to make attieke over here in Abidjan. So they don't use only the dry or the raw cassava, but also boiled one. And see, 1 year, I mean this, also keen of fermenté.
Il demande si vous avez fermenté. Oui.
Ah.
Ça a 3 jours. 3 days.
3 days. So the boiled cassava was soaked for 3 days. So what can you see here to make or the raw one? Amazing. So one of the reasons why they add boiled cassava to the attieke is that it will make the attieke have that unique kind of texture. Okay, everything will stick together. So the boiled one or the fermented boiled cassava together with the raw one helps the attieke to have that small particles. Okay, it makes it evenly. That's why they add this rate. If not, if they only use the raw one to do the attieke, everything will stick together or stack together, and that it will not be nice. So that's why Abidjan or Côte d'Ivoire has the best attieke in the world, because they initiated it. They started it. My first time seeing boiled cassava that's been used to make attieke. Merci, Mama. So here is the milling and the grinding point. So at this moment, the raw and the fermented boiled cassava are grind together. And over here, it's mostly one person who do the grinding or the milling. So when he's absent, meaning that day, there will not be work.
I want to forget my problems. I want to forget my sorrows. Now waiting, I go pay you to.
Man, there's some amazing work over here going on. It's not easy. It's really not easy. Once it comes from the machine, they bag everything inside the sack before they put pressure on it. Okay, before they put pressure on it, they tie it. Before they put pressure on it, to take out the starch or the water content from it. So that's how it goes inside like that. And it's not easy. It's really not easy. Sorry. So it goes inside like that. Amazing. So the whole place is cassava dough production that goes on over here. And it's really busy over here, and over here in Côte d'Ivoire they eat a lot of because of the cassava content that they use in attieke. There are lots of cassava over here, and they eat a lot of cassava. That's why you have this mass production going over Abidjan. Wow. So after they grind the cassava, they have something like this. Okay, they squeeze off the starch or the liquid from it. Okay, so this is how they squeeze the liquid from the cassava. Okay, the cassava dough. Okay. It's not easy. It's really not easy. So after grinding and squeezing the liquid out from the cassava dough, that's when Mama Anna also comes in. So she gets the dry cassava and she processes it to get the final attieke. And her process is so unique to the extent that she tries to sieve and sieve and sieve multiple times to get the finest particle for the final attieke. So I'm not shocked and I'm not surprised why she has been able to sell this for more than 40 years and still holds the title as the best attieke seller in Abidjan or Abidjan. You definitely need to try her attieke. So I'll try and communicate with the ladies over here, and the funny thing is that I'm the only one speaking English and they speak French, so it's more of a sign language, and I'll be using my 2x4 translator or my understanding to explain what they are saying to you guys. And man, if I get it wrong, just pardon me and understand that I'm just an English person. So over here I have these ladies and they are processing attieke. So I'll let them to explain the whole process thing about how attieke is done. Okay, monsieur, maman, comment tu t'appelles?
C'est Madame Azago.
Madame Azago.
En Côte d'Ivoire, Abidjan.
Abidjan.
Voilà.
Okay.
On fait du bon attieke. Attieke, voilà.
Okay.
Quand ça quitte à la machine, après avoir serré, enlevé l'eau, ça vient comme ça.
Comme ça.
Voici ça.
Okay.
Voilà.
Okay.
Maintenant, on casse.
On casse.
Voilà.
On
met dans, on appelle ça tes mains.
Tes mains. Okay.
On casse. On casse, ça sort en poudre comme ça.
Comme ça.
Poudre.
Smooth, right? Powder, okay.
Powder. Après poudre, voici l'autre étape. On tape.
Okay.
On tape.
Okay, on tape.
Pour faire grain.
Okay.
Pour faire les grains, voilà.
Okay, so bear round, you know. Okay.
On fait grain.
Okay.
Après poudre, c'est grain.
Okay.
Maintenant, après grain, on va là-bas.
Okay, then it goes through all this process before it comes in.
C'est pas tout le monde qui tamise comme ça. Ici, il y a des gens qui font grain, ils mettent au soleil.
Okay.
Non, on fait grain comme ça.
Wow.
C'est spécial. Bon attieke. Bon attieke chez Maman Anne.
Okay.
Maman
Anne.
Voilà. Maintenant, on fait joli pour que tout n'a qu'à être même chose.
Même chose.
Tout grain là n'a qu'à être même chose. Quand on fait même chose, voilà. Et puis on renverse gros ici.
Ah, ok. Wow.
On enlève gros.
On casse.
Voilà.
On casse. Amazing. Man, interesting process over here. This looks different from one I did in Nzama, Ghana, because it goes through a different process before it comes here, and they make it that small particle.
Après ça, on va venir casser encore ici.
Oh, okay. It should go back again.
Casser,
Wow.
Donc ça, tout est même chose.
Okay.
Même chose.
It's the same size. Wow, amazing. Amazing.
Donc on a fait ici là, puis on met au soleil.
Okay, so after they've sieved it, it comes over here for drying before it goes on top of fire. So as you can see, it's being spread around so that the sun can scorch it well. And yeah, so this is like a checker house. Okay. Location location?
Bodoumé.
À Bodoumé.
Nous sommes à Bodoumé précisément au bateau bus.
Bateau bus.
Voilà.
Ok.
Tu viens te demander après maman Anne.
Maman Anne.
Voilà, elle fait bon Attieke.
Anna, ok.
À Bodjama à part, Attieke aussi à part.
Ok.
Voilà.
Ok. So this is a checker house, and if you come à Bodoumé, Maman Anna, and that's what she do.
If I booze, I go forget my problems. If I booze, I go forget my worries. If I booze, I go forget my sorrows. So I lie in my house. I go pay you tomorrow.
So after it's been dry for some hours, it comes back again over here, and the process, the sieve again. First here, okay. So after sun, the sieve again, and it comes like this. Okay. Okay. Then it goes back here again with the help of the fan. It separates the smooth ones over here. Wow. So the fan is helping. So everything will be seen and just like this.
On a enlevé le bois.
So, okay, so it comes like this. It goes over here. Then like that fire. Is there fire over there? Okay. Man, amazing way of preparing a check over here in Ivory Coast. And okay, so this here they steam it. Okay, so actually they use gas over here. So they have the pot. They have water inside. Everything is being sealed around to prevent the heat from coming out. And goes inside like that. Okay. Goes inside like that. So this is more modernized because there's no blazing fire that comes around that will be disturbing the person standing around it. Okay, so it's more of a modern way of using the fire. Okay, so water inside and being sealed over here so that the vapor can steam the attieke. Okay. So the stir, you see that it's steaming. Okay, it's changing color. Okay.
Too much trouble, so my head, so much wahala in my house, waiting I go do, I go pay you tomorrow.
So it's been like 10 minutes of stirring, making sure that it's still very nice and well.
My children they cry for trouble, so wahala in my house, I go pay you tomorrow.
So when the attieke is ready, the box is like this, and this is 500 safer. It's 500 safer like this.
So after that attieke process was done, they told me to wait. They're gonna make me some pepper sauce using smoked fried fish. Man, this fish is so delicious in Abidjan. If you want some, I've done a video how to get some. Check it out in the description box and follow the number and get some for yourself. It's so delicious. So we are making attieke, sauce for attieke, okay? So that's the tomatoes and the onion, and we have pepper, the powdered pepper, and that is the onion, the fish that we are frying, okay? So it goes inside attieke like that, and man, it is what it is. They have different versions of attieke. They have attieke with pozon, which is with fish, with meat, a whole lot, okay, a whole lot. Yeah, sauce is being added to give that flavor to the fish. Okay, vinegar.
Maggi? No.
I put Maggi.
No, put Maggi.
It's
Salt.
salt.
Yeah, salt. Yeah, salt.
You eat piment?
Yeah, I eat. Just like that. Let me everything together. The sound of oil from the roasting.
Mama Azago. You eat Mama Azago, you keep cooking.
In kitchen, yeah. Cooking with Sindaco.
Oh, Sindaco.
Yeah, Mama Azago with Sindaco.
Cooking with Sindaco. Oh, it is the Monsieur Kofi, you eat the fish and Attieke.
Okay.
Yes. What do you say Attieke in English?
Attieke.
Okay.
Yeah, Attieke.
Monsieur Kofi, you eat the Attieke.
Okay. So, oil. This gives flavor.
It is a cooking sharp. Oh, okay. Sharp. Yes.
This is really amazing. Man, this looks so beautiful. Came to do Attieke video and they showed me love by preparing me Attieke with poisson. Amazing! I never expected this, and it's really beautiful. And it's been funny over here because I speak English, they speak French, and we're battling with ourselves with sign language. Amazing! So she has this mayonnaise. Okay, she has this mayonnaise and it goes on top of the salad. The pepper and the tomatoes and the onion like that. And she also sells bissap.
Oh, bissap.
She sells bissap.
Check.
So this is Attieke. Wow, amazing. Hello, brothers, sisters. Okay, so I'm okay, so this lady over here.
Mama Anna.
So this lady over here, that's Attieke. As you can see, I'm Attieke house, and they prepared amazing recipe over here. This obolo, bissap,
Mama Azago
was also prepared by this lady over here.
Oh, yes.
Okay. So now they prepared me this amazing recipe. Okay, so let's try this Attieke. Okay,
Hey, la lampa quittez-la.
so amazing. Wow.
C'est pas fâché, c'est elle. On n'a pas mis Mania beaucoup.
Aïe, aïe.
Super.
C'est maniaque même.
Wow. Yes. I stick. Super.
Ça me dit que
Man, for shizzle, man, that's me enjoying this delicious Attieke. Before, I wasn't a fan of Attieke, but trust me, when I got to Cote d'Ivoire, I became fan of Attieke. They are so good in making it. It's so nice. So call the number on the screen, and man, for shizzle, man, get yourself some delicious Attieke. Like I said, there's a bus that comes from Cote d'Ivoire, Abidjan to Ghana. So if you want authentic Ivorian Attieke, that's the number to call. Okay, let's meet again. Cooking with Sindaco, more diaries from Cote d'Ivoire. Subscribe to the page, share, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's do this. Nous
sommes à Bobo Doumé. À Bobo Doumé, précisément au bateau. Pour tous ceux qui veulent commander Attieke gros grain à Abidjan, Attieke fin, vous venez à Bobo Doumé chez Maman Anne. Pour toutes vos commandes Attieke, Maman Anne au 01 42 92 41 92. Je reprends 01 42 92 41 92 pour toutes vos commandes à Attieke. Merci. Maman Anne, fais comme ça. Voilà.